Today is day 3 of Kyoto vlogs. Right? Day 3 of Kyoto vlogs. We are on our way to, where are we? What's it called? Arashiyama Nebutsuji Temple.
Can you direct?
I am so tired. I need some caffeine. This is the second day we've woken up at 5 in the morning. But hopefully the bamboo grove is really pretty. You're telling me after a half an hour walk, I have to climb up these stairs? It's fucking closed. We just finished taking pictures. It was much smaller than expected.
Yes, but it was very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
I liked it a lot.
Yes. We can see why it gets very, very crowded during peak times.
It's only 100 meters of space. And there's only maybe like 50 meters of really dense bamboo. Because in the beginning, the bamboo is a lot more sparse.
Just kidding! There's more. There's much more bamboo. We were wrong.
There's more.
We were wrong. Apologies. There's a lot more bamboo.
But here, like, it's not just bamboo.
Yeah. It looks like. We're gonna head back to our hotel and check out.
We're gonna take a nappy
nap and then check out, and then we're just switching rooms in the same hotel. Hopefully this next room will be nicer. I totally forgot to film a room tour for this room.
It's okay, it's not even worth it.
It's just
$40 a person.
it's just a tatami room. $40 per night for each person. Laid on futons that were hard as a rock.
I slept
It was the floor that was hard as a rock. The futon is just nothing.
Show us your finished bag.
So this is my finished bag. This is the front.
This is the front?
No. This is the front. This is the front.
Wow, look at that. That's so pretty.
Thank you. Very clean. No. Yeah.
This one.
わあ、みんな上手だからな。
上手。
Yeah, everyone did a good job.
Which was the best? Which was the best one?
Don't lie. Don't lie.
You have to check each one.
これも好きなんだよね。これも好きなんだよね。
Just what? Yes.
I don't mean your rest.
No, it's okay.
How would you rate the dye workshop just now? 11 out of 10? 10 out of 10? Okay.
The staff are really nice.
The staff were so nice.
And then we stayed there for 2
And there was like no
hours.
time limit. I kind of
There
felt
was no
bad.
time
Like if
And-
we could tip, I would have tipped.
And I didn't know that you could do both sides of the pouch.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was really nice. $20
$20
only.
class fee. We just sit there and we're painting. It's so fun.
It was so fun. Oh, this wind.
What's the guy's name?
No idea.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, he was really nice. But we're going to Kinkakuji now, and then after that, we're gonna check back into our hotel.
Yes.
So we found this gachapon. It's $2. It's just switches, like gas stove switches for $2. Are you gonna get it? Gas Oh, Daichi. Oh, no, on the back.
All right.
Let's read it.
Everything you want to do can be done well. No problem, your family. Your boss will back you up. There seems to be no problem. Be modest and clean. Respect older people and be kind to younger people. Your fortune will be much more excellent. Where's the love? Get along with your partner faithfully.
You don't have a partner right now, though.
Yeah, marriage proposal. You leave it to others. You can realize it.
Leave it to others, so you're not getting proposed to anytime soon.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, quite good fortune.
What is it?
Oh, a small one?
Small G.
Okay, the winter moon is reflecting itself clearly in the pond, but it's impossible to hold the moon there.
Okay.
You are now far from good luck.
Oh.
Everything seems to go bad. Be modest and faithful.
It's supposed to be
Wait for your time to come. My wish is hard to realize. It will take a pretty long time. Expected visitor. He will come, but he will be late. Missing thing. It will be found around you. Look for it in high places. Travel. You're apt to waste money. Behave yourself.
Oh. I mean, that's kind of true.
You'll lose. Wait. Study. Study hard. Go back to the basics. Speculation. Wait and you'll get some profits. Game and match. Hard to win. Love. Control your feelings. Do not mention. Removal. Stay. Do not move. Childbirth. Take good care of yourself. Illness. Choose a good doctor. Marriage proposal. Your tongue may invite misfortune. Silence is golden.
Oh, okay.
Hit me with the remover is Daijobu desu.
Dude, is this even a good luck?
I don't know.
It's small.
Daikichi.
Okay, Melody.
Okay. Everything you want to do can be done well, no problem.
Wait.
It's the same one as you.
It's the same one as me.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Wish everything goes well as you expect. You can sell or buy any house, any land. Expected visitor, he or she will come very soon.
Oh.
Apparently I have someone coming. Missing thing, keep calm and look around with patience. Travel. Business trip will do you good. Business, alright, but be cool.
Oh yeah, you also got 24.
Study, no problem, continue studying. Speculation, just wait or you'll lose. Game and match, you will surely win, be calm. Love, get along with your partner faithfully. Okay, everything's looking good with Fatara apparently. Removal, what does that even mean?
I don't know. With the Daijobu desu.
Childbirth is also daijobu desu. Illness, be faithful and it will soon be cured. Marriage proposal, leave it to others, you can realize it. I guess I'm not getting proposed to anytime soon either. This is our next room for Kyoto. Oh, my bad. We got 3 beds. The washroom is still small. Okay, but at least we have a table this time. And actual seats. I think all their washrooms are that small.
Oh, I got slippers.
You understand? Yes.
Move it up and down.
Which is the new tea, the first tea of the season. So it's only available for a limited time. Apparently it's supposed to be very fresh and young, whatever that means. Cheers.
It tastes like savory. It's very light.
It's very light. Tastes like hot water, to be honest.
Hey, shut that mouth.
We're getting soba yet again. But this one is matcha soba. Sam got the same thing. Yes.
And I'm just having
I
tea.
didn't even realize.
Yes. CC.
Susie's a skinny legend.
So, how was the stone milling workshop, guys?
I fell asleep.
You fell asleep.
Did you actually?
Sam, how'd you find it?
It was cool to see how it works, but it was like, I wish it was like shorter.
Do it again.
I would do it again.
Yeah, I don't think I would do it
would
again.
do the dye workshop again.
Yes.
I agree.
Yes. Oh, here's another shrine where Sam and I are going to get another Goshuin. Goshuin.